Ready to ditch buyer's remorse and snag that must-have item without breaking the bank all at once? Let's dive into Apple Pay Later, your ticket to splitting purchases into easy installments right from your iPhone's wallet app. First, ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. This is crucial for Apple Pay Later to function. Next, open the wallet app on your iPhone. If you're eligible, you'll see Apple Pay Later as an option. If you don't see it, it might not be available to you yet, as Apple rolls it out gradually. Tap on Apple Pay Later and follow the on-screen instructions to apply. Apple will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility and credit limit. Don't worry, this won't impact your credit score. Now, when you're shopping online or in stores that accept Apple Pay, choose Apple Pay as your payment method at checkout. On the Apple Pay screen, you'll see the option to pay with Apple Pay Later. Select it. You'll then choose your preferred installment plan, typically for equal payments spread over 6 weeks, with no interest or fees. Review your payment schedule and confirm your purchase. You'll receive reminders before each payment is due, making it super easy to stay on track. You can manage your Apple Pay Later loans, view your payment schedule, and make payments directly from the wallet app anytime. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy the flexibility and convenience of Apple Pay Later. Happy shopping!